guys, welcome to another video of Tech Pro. As we all know, Redmi has made a very good mark in India. Let's see what's new in the new Redmi Note 8 Pro. Let's see its pricing and its features. So let's start. The new Redmi Note 8 Pro has a 6.53-inch dot-notch HDR display with 2340 into 1080 pixels resolution and 19.5:9 aspect ratio. It also has 2.5D curved glass. So this was the new Ultra display on the new Redmi Note 8 Pro. Now let's talk about its camera. The new Redmi Note 8 Pro has 64MP AI Core rear camera with portrait. We also get ultra wide lens and a macro lens. We also get AI support and Beautify support. So this is the new Pro rear camera on the new Redmi Note 8 Pro. It also has the new 20MP front camera. Redmi's new phone is loaded with features. If we talk about its performance, we will be greatly shocked. The new smoothing gaming experience with powerful Helio G90 gaming processor is the fastest. Redmi also gives gaming turbo and liquid cooling technology. With Google Assistant, the new Redmi Note 8 Pro also gets the support of Amazon Alexa built in. Simply say Alexa to play music, hear the news, control your smart devices or check the weather wherever you are. Just ask and Alexa will respond instantly. Want plenty of colors on the new Redmi Note 8 Pro? We can get the new Gamma Green, the new Hello White, the new Electric Blue and the new Shadow Black. I will show you all the colors that come with the new Redmi Note 8 Pro. This is the new Gamma Green, stylish greenish gradient color with black. So this is the new Hello White, the very great white finish, matte finish, glossy. And this is the new Shadow Black. You can see the very premium looking phone. And this is the new Electric Blue with gradient finish, very beautiful like ocean. It feels like a sporty phone. This phone by Redmi is powered by Android Pie V9 operating system with 2.05 GHz MediaTek Helio G90T octa-core processor, the fastest processor in a phone. Also, it has 4500 mAh lithium polymer battery, providing talk time of 41 hours and standby time of 666 hours. It also has 18-watt fast charger which charges the phone in just 1.5 hours. With a lot of new features in this new Redmi phone, you might be thinking what would be its pricing. The new Redmi Note 8 Pro is priced about 17,000 with 6GB of RAM and 64GB storage. You can also switch to 6GB of RAM with 128GB storage. That is priced about 18,000. There's also option for 8GB RAM plus 128GB giga storage. That is priced about 20,000. If you want a cheaper phone, you can also go for Redmi Note 8. That is powered by Qualcomm 655 Snapdragon processor. Also, it has the new Android V9 and the screen size is about 6.3 inches. It has a rear camera of 48 megapixels with a front camera of 12 megapixels. You also get a monster battery of 4000 mAh with 18-watt fast charger. In the new Redmi Note 8, we have Android Pie V9 operating system with 2.0 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 octa-core processor. The new Redmi Note 8 Pro comes with a variety of colors like the new Neptune Blue, the new Moonlight White, the new Space Black and the new Cosmic Purple. The new Redmi Note 8 is priced about 13,000 with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. You can also switch to 6GB RAM and 128GB storage at a price of 16,000. So these were all the features of the new Redmi Note 8 and the Note 8 Pro. This is a very good budget phone with a variety of features. One who needs all these features in his phone must buy this. Also the new gaming experience is very great. Also the new quad camera with 64 MP is the best AI camera. Suggest you to buy a pro phone like this. Thank you for seeing Tech Pro. If you like my video, share and subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the next one.